I came to Spider Mountain not expecting much, but every trail I rode just kept getting better. From Flow to Black Braid Tech, this place is way better than I expected. We're going to start off with Cedar Fever. This is a blue diamond trail. It's pretty flowy with a little bit of tech, and it's a really progressive trail. It's really fun. If you want to see my full trail preview of this trail, then go ahead and click right here in the top right corner. Now we're going to ride Recluse. This trail is kind of like Cedar Fever, just without the tech. It's very flowy with rollers that you can double and big berms. It's just a short pedal across this road, and then you'll see the sign for Recluse, and then you just drop into that. On the lower section of Recluse, there are some more rollers for you to double. Just be careful, because every now and then they might catch you a little bit off guard. And I almost fell on my back right there. So now as you go along this road, you'll see a sign for Itsy Bitsy and Venom. We're going to drop into Venom, and it starts off kind of techy and then ends with big jumps. Keep your speed to this tech section so that way you bounce over the rocks and not keep bouncing in between the rocks. And then try to lay off the brakes on this corner so that way you have the maximum amount of speed for the jumps. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and while you're down there, you might as well hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Now we're going to hit Viper's Den. This is only the top third of it because the bottom 2/3 were closed due to rain when I was there. The top part is really fun and flowy with like kind of rocky flow. They built the rocks into like rollers. It's really fun. This trail is Sidewinder. You take this to get to the bottom of the mountain after you hit Cedar Fever. This is a really fun trail, and it's definitely more on the tech side. Make sure you hang right here into this berm and then go straight across on this flat spot and then drop right, and then you can roll everything and you don't have to do any of the mandatory drops. Now we're going to hit Sticky Icky. This trail is a Black Diamond Tech trail. It is a pretty fun trail if you like tech. If you want to see my full trail preview of this trail, then I'll link it in the top right corner of your screen. I'm not entirely sure how you ride that corner right there. I definitely need someone to tell me through and show me the line. The rocks are definitely a little bit damp from the morning rain, so I didn't want to risk anything on that corner either. But as it is right now, I do not see a way how to do it. Maybe in the future when I come back, I'll be able to hit the corner. It's definitely something to work up to. After that, it's just a short pedal back to the lift. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you like the trails that you saw today, go ahead and check out this playlist right here where I'll do trail previews of all the trails here. If you want trail walkthroughs of each video where I walk through each part of the trail, let me know in the comment section down below. Until then, check out this playlist right here. I'll see you over there.